Vitamin B6 by Bailey Morgan. What is vitamin B6? Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is one of the B vitamins that help the central nervous system. Pyridoxine was first established in 1938 and synthesized in 1939. Pyridoxal and pyridoxamine are responsible for most of the vitamin B6 activity in animal tissues, which were discovered in 1940s. It produces the neurotransmitters serotonin and norepinephrine, and in forming myelin. Nutrient B6 is dynamic in its coenzyme type of pyridoxal phosphate and capacities in the development and breakdown of amino acids, and consequently by implication of protein and in the guideline of blood glucose levels. It is additionally associated with the union of synapses serotonin and norepinephrine and of the heme and atomic of the hemoglobin, and in the transformation of the amino corrosive to the nutrient niacin. No human disease has ever been found to be caused by a vitamin B6 deficiency. However, a long-term deficiency can cause symptoms like dermatitis, mental depression, or convulsions, and also an excess amount can cause nerve damage. The main role of vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 plays a lot of roles in your everyday mood. This is because this vitamin is necessary for creating neurotransmitters that regulate your emotions, including serotonin, dopamine, and gamma acid. Vitamin B6 may help improve brain function and help prevent Alzheimer's disease, but they have not yet guaranteed that. B6 can decrease high homocysteine blood levels, which increase the risk of Alzheimer's. Again, this research has not yet been proven. Vitamin B6 can help treat nausea during pregnancy. Researchers are not quite sure why, but it may be because vitamin B6 is a very big role in a healthy pregnancy. Vitamin B6 may help prevent clogged arteries and minimize heart disease risks. Researchers say that people with low blood level of vitamin B6 have almost double the risk of getting heart disease compared to people with higher vitamin B6. There are a lot of other roles for vitamin B6, but these are just some of the main ones. Some of the main food sources that have vitamin B in them. Milk. 1 cup of milk provides 5% of the recommended daily value of vitamin B6. Ricotta cheese has the highest amount of vitamin B6 than any other cheese. Salmon, that has the highest concentration of vitamin B6 available in any food. 2 eggs have 10% of daily value you need, so those have a lot. Carrots, spinach, sweet potatoes, green peas, and bananas are all very high in vitamin B6. There's a lot of other main food, there's a lot more than I listed. Also, men and women ages 19 to 50 should consume about 1.3 milligrams of vitamin B6 a day. Women 51 and older should consume 1.5 milligrams a day. Men 51 and older should consume 1.7 milligrams a day. Pregnant women 19 and older should consume 1.9 milligrams of vitamin B6, and breastfeeding women 19 and older should consume 2.0 milligrams of vitamin B6 a day. Some fun facts and myths. Vitamin B6 is also called pyridoxine. It is a water-soluble vitamin needed to break down all proteins we eat. This vitamin is used to make important proteins. There's a lot of myths. Some of the main ones was vitamin B6 is safe and effectual treatment for PMS. Number 2, vitamin B6 is an antineurotoxin, anti-edemal, and anti-stress. And a lot of people said that more was better, but that is not true. Overall, vitamin B6 is something that is very important, that we need every day. This plays many roles in the body and are very important again. Vitamin B6 is the most important to the central nervous system. And here are my citations. Thank you.